But then in the house, I obviously overdid it. When I saw it scared certain people, I exaggerated it. So
you add some spice
yeah, I
to
added a lot of spice. But then, but I also call myself a dreamer because I always believed that from 5 years old, I believed that there was a camera on me, watching me, following me around like Kimora Lee Simmons and Kim Kardashian. But so I just dreamed that I'll be in big places. And I can definitely say that those dreams I call it realistic dreaming. So those dreams are realistic and it's really happening.
I think it's realistic to potentially see a reality show with you and Sweet Guluva. You know, keeping up with the Guluva.
You don't say. You don't say.
You know, dreams do come true. You never know. Now, one of your quotes or mottos is, "The sky is too close to earth to be my limit." That's incredible. Where does that come from? Spain.
It comes from my school. Every day in school, we'd have assembly in Grosvenor Girls, and then there would be like, word of the day. And that is one word of the day that never ever left me. It was like, people always say sky's the limit, even Biggie. But I feel like sky's not my limit. The sky is too close to earth to be my limit. I want to go over the moon, over the galaxy, over the universe.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it, man. We got Ashley Ogle in the building. We got about 15 more minutes with her. So if you want to drop a question, have a conversation with her, drop a voice note using the YFM app. Good morning.
Congratulations to the lucky Lotto jackpot winner who won over 9
Thank you. You're not defending anything. I knew privacy wouldn't work for Ashley. How, guys? I'm not saying anything. I'm answering the questions. What do you mean you knew privacy wouldn't work for me? I didn't. You have selective hearing, guys. I didn't say nothing. I also did. Yeah, I just. Yes, I'll see a lot of people saying you control. Yeah, okay, then. It's fine. We're private, but I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything about it.
And Ariel liquid detergent 2 liters or capsules, 14 or 21 per pack. Buy any 3